In the cafe. In this lesson we will look at vocabulary and conversation used in the cafe. Vocabulary. Cafe. A small restaurant selling light meals and drinks. Cup. A small bowl-shaped container with a handle for drinking from. Small. Medium. Large. Sizes of cups to order drinks in cafes. Cake. A soft sweet food made from a mixture of flour, fat, eggs, sugar, and other ingredients, usually baked and sometimes iced or decorated. Scones. A small unsweetened or lightly sweetened cake made from flour, fat, and milk and sometimes having added fruit. Sandwich. An item of food consisting of two pieces of bread with a filling between them, eaten as a light meal. Cookie. A sweet biscuit having a fairly soft, chewy texture and typically containing pieces of chocolate or fruit. Eat in. To sit down and eat in the cafe or restaurant. Takeaway. Food which is ordered and made in a restaurant and is then taken away to be eaten at home or elsewhere. Order. A request for food or drink in a cafe or restaurant. Menu. A list of the dishes to be served or available for a meal. Waiter or waitress. A person who takes orders and serves food and drink at the table in a cafe or restaurant. Bill. A piece of paper showing how much money you must pay for a meal in a restaurant. Receipt. A slip that states that money has been received. Conversation 1.
Hello, are you ready to order?
Yes. I'd like a black coffee, please.
And for you, madam?
I'd like a cafe latte, please.
Anything to eat?
What cakes do you have?
We have chocolate, red velvet, caramel and Oreo cheesecake.
I'll have the red velvet, please.
Anything for you, madam?
I'd like to have a sandwich, please.
There's roast chicken and ham and cheese sandwiches. Which one would you like?
I'll have the roast chicken one, please.
Anything else?
Can we have some water as well, please? That's all. Can you repeat the order?
1 black coffee, 1 cafe latte, 1 red velvet cake, 1 roast chicken sandwich and water.
Perfect. Thanks.
I'll be back with your order once it's ready. Here it is. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Is everything okay? Do you need anything else?
Everything's good. Can we have the bill, please?
You can pay at the counter. I'll get the bill ready for you. That was £12 there, please.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, sure. Here is the receipt.
Thank you. Bye.
See you. Have a good day. Conversation 2.
Hello, how can I help you?
Can I have a cappuccino and a slice of chocolate cake, please?
What size would you like? Small, medium or large?
Medium, please.
Eat in or takeaway?
Takeaway.
That would be £5.20.
Here you go.
Here's the change and receipt. Please collect your takeaway at the end of the counter.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day.